Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of differential equation. In last lecture, we discussed exact differential equation. In exact differential equation, there is a condition of exactness, that is del m by del y equal to del n by del x. For the differential equation of the type m into dx plus n into dy equals 0, where m and n are functions of xn. Now we are going to discuss reducible to exact differential equation. This topic we are going to discuss what it is reducible to exact differential equation. Means given differential equation is not exact differential equation. It will not be exact, but we can reduce it into exact differential equation. We can convert it into exact differential equation. Or there are some types of the differential equation which can be converted into exact differential equation and we can solve it further. Here we are going to discuss how homogeneous differential equation can be reduced to exact differential equation, where when differential equation is homogeneous and you are going to convert it into exact differential equation, that this integrating factor formula you have to use. Integrating factor formula 1 by mx plus ny, where m and n are coefficient of dx and coefficient of dy in differential equation. Now some problems we are going to solve, and those are homogeneous differential equation. If you look at this differential equation, then first term, second term, third term and fourth term, the degree of each and every term is same. See, degree of first term is 3, degree of second term is 3, degree of third term is 3, degree of this term is 3. The degree of each and every term is same. Therefore, this is homogeneous differential equation. Here also, see, degree of this term is 2, degree of this term is 2, degree of this term is 2, because power of x is 1, power of y is 1, and there is a multiplication. Therefore, we have to add the indices, means 1 plus 1 will be the degree, means 2 will be the degree. The degree of each and every term is same, therefore it is homogeneous differential equation. This is what? It is homogeneous differential equation, because degree of each and every term is same, homogeneous differential equation. And this differential equation we are going to convert it into exact differential equation. Okay, there are limitations to this method also, because when you find integrating factor, and in integrating factor, if there are more than two terms or more than single term in the denominator, then many times integration becomes complicated. Okay, it becomes tedious. But this is the limitation of this method. This is homogeneous differential equation. We are going to convert it into exact differential equation. Yes, what to do? We have to use this formula. Yes, why to use this formula? Because equation is homogeneous. That's why this integrating factor formula is only made for homogeneous differential equation. This you have to remember. Okay, this may be asked as one of the MCQ. For the homogeneous differential equation, the integrating factor is what? 1 by mx plus ny. Now, the integrating factor I am going to f integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny, and m is what? It is coefficient of, this is m x plus ny. M is what? M is coefficient of dx, x square y minus 2xy square. Here this minus sign I do take, minus of x cube minus 3x square y. Mx plus ny, mx plus ny. Now try to simplify it. If I open the bracket, if I multiply this by x, then x cube y minus 2x square y square minus x cube y, and this minus plus 3x square y square. I have opened the brackets. Now if there are some cancellation, then you can go for cancellation. X cube y minus x cube y, these two terms are going to disappear. 3x square y square minus 2x square y square is what? 1x square y square. So this is the integrating factor. This is what? IF, integrating factor. This integrating factor may be asked as an MCQ. This differential equation will be given, and what is the integrating factor for this differential equation, and this will be the correct answer. Integrating factor may be asked in examination as an MCQ. Now once you get correct integrating factor using 1 by mx plus ny formula, now we have to multiply this equation. I am calling this equation as equation 1. So multiply equation 1 by integrating factor. I am going to multiply equation 1 by integrating factor. Now do it carefully. See, x square y minus 2xy square dx. I am multiplying this by 1 by x square y square and minus of 1 by x square y square x cube minus 3x square y dy is equal to 0. Multiply both the sides by 1 by x square y square, that we have done. Now x square, multiply each term of the bracket by 1 by x square y square. What will happen? X square gets cancelled, y by y square is 1 by y. I am writing 1 by y here directly, minus 2x y square by y square, this y square goes away, minus 2x by x square is minus 2x by x square. I am writing like this. Now minus of, see, x cube by x square cancel, x by y square, this minus 3x square gets cancelled, is minus 3 by y dy. Okay, so multiply these terms by 1 by x square y square very carefully. Now this differential equation is an exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. See, this is not exact differential equation. What is the condition of exactness? Del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. But you may question like this, if without fulfilling the condition of del m by del y is equal to del n by del x, how you are going to say it is not exact? But I am not going to check the condition. Directly I am going to find out integrating factor. And integrating factor is not 1. Integrating factor is other than 1. Therefore, it is not an exact equation. Because the integrating factor of exact differential equation is 1. The integrating factor is 1 by x square y square. It is not 1. It is other than 1. Therefore, this is not exact differential equation. Or if you can check it. Del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. No, it will not be there. This del m by del y equal to del n by is not equal to del n by del x, you will find. But in the examination, it is not necessary to check the exactness in the beginning, because integrating factor is other than 1. Therefore, this is not exact differential equation. That's all. Now, after multiplying this equation by integrating factor, so this non-exact differential equation is going to convert into, going to reduce into exact differential equation. It is very clear. So there also it is not necessary to check. There it is not necessary to check. But this is the first problem. In short, I am going to see, this is m, small m I am using. You can use capital N also, small n. And if you want to find del m by del y, in examination, this is not required to be checked, remember. For the sake of your knowledge, I am going to check it. But in the examination, it is not required. Derivative of 1 by y with respect to y is minus 1 by y square. Derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. Derivative of 2 by x is with respect to y is 0 because x we have to treat constant when you take derivative with respect to y. Del n by del x, take derivative with respect to x keeping y constant. See, 1 by y square constant, derivative of x is 1 and this minus sign is there. Derivative of 3 by y with respect to x is 0. See, del m by del y equal to del n by del x. So therefore, this is an exact differential equation. It's an exact differential equation. Del m by del y is equal to what? Del n by del x. But once again I repeat, this is not necessary to check in the examination. Okay, if you are correct up to this, if you don't commit even a single mistake, then it will be definitely get exact differential equation. Okay, it will be definitely exact differential equation. But for the sake of your knowledge, I checked it and it is coming to be del m by del y equal to del n by del x. That's all. Now this is exact differential equation. How do you find out the solution? So there is a standard format for solution. In previous lecture, we have seen the standard format for solution. But once again, I am going to write the formula because this is the first problem of reducible to exact. Therefore, I am going to write the format of exact differential equation. What is the format of exact differential equation? What is the format for solution of exact differential equation? Integral m, we have to integrate m with respect to x, keeping y constant, and the terms in n which does not contain x, terms in n not containing x, or in short I am writing free from x, dy is equal to c because this is a solution formatted. In next problem I will not be writing this solution format. Integral of m keeping y constant, we are integrating with respect to x, and the terms in n which are free from x. Now integral, what is m? M of exact differential equation. Remember, this is an exact equation and we keep, when you integrate m, we have to keep y constant. And terms in n which are free from x. See, n containing two terms, first term and second term. The first term containing x, don't write. Second term is free from x, that has to be written here. This minus 3 by y minus is 3 by y. Terms in n which are free from x. Now integrate with respect to x very carefully, keeping y constant. 1 by y is constant, integration of constant is what? This is constant. Integration of constant is with respect to x is constant multiplied by x, is x by y. Integration of 1 by x with respect to x is log x. Integration of 1 by y with respect to y is log y. Okay, this is the solution for this differential equation. This is homogeneous equation. This is integrating factor. Multiply given equation by integrating factor, you will get exact differential equation. And we have seen in the last lecture how to solve exact differential equation. This is the solution format for exact differential equation. Put m, terms in n which are free from x, and take integration very carefully. Just one or two steps you can extend. Okay, you can extend this for one or two steps. Now the same problem. See, if you look at this differential equation, the degree of each and every term is same. So degree of this term is 2, degree of this term is 2, degree of x and y we have to calculate when we talk about the homogeneous differential equation. Degree of this is 2, degree of this is 2, degree of this is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, this is what? Homogeneous differential equation. And homogeneous differential equation can be converted into exact differential equation using integrating factor. Using integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. 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 1 by mx plus 1 by mx plus ny is an integrating factor formula for homogeneous differential equation to be converted into exact differential equation. See, this equation is not in the standard form. We have to bring it in the standard form first. Here, this equation is of the type m dx plus n dy equal to 0. But this differential equation is not in the standard form, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So, you write out this in the standard form first. See, there are two terms of dy by dx. What I am going to do? I am going to shift this term on the right hand side. Okay, dy square equal to dy by dx into x square. I am shifting it on the right hand side, plus xy dy by dx. Okay, there are two terms of dy by dx. Either you shift it on the left hand side or right hand side, it is your choice. Now take dy by dx common. Take dy by dx common. I have taken y square is as it is. Then have a cross multiplication, y square dx equal to minus of x square plus xy dy. Is it? This dy and this minus sign I am taking, it will be minus then. Okay, it will be minus, but not necessary to take minus sign common. Without taking it, you can solve the problem. Now this I am shifting on the left hand side, y square dx plus x square minus xy dy. So this is in the standard form now. M dx plus n dy equal to 0. In examination, you may be given in this form also. Here it is not given in the standard form. I reduce it into standard form. Y square m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Now, use this integrating factor formula. If you use integrating factor formula, the integrating factor is equal to what? 1 by mx plus ny, m x plus n y. Is it? What is m here? Y square. What is n? X square minus xy. Now, let's try to simplify it. If you simplify it, what will happen? Here I am writing 1 by xy square multiply by y, x square y minus xy square. And if there are some cancellation, you can go for cancellation. Xy square, it will disappear and x square y is removed. Now this is integrating factor for this differential equation or this differential equation. Okay, both are same. In examination, once again I tell you, once again I repeat, this may be asked as an MCQ. What is integrating factor for this equation or this equation? Okay, this may be asked as an MCQ. Now, solution of an exact differential equation I want. So for the once you get integrating factor, now I am going for solution. So multiply this differential equation which is in the standard form. Multiply this equation 1 by integrating factor. What I am writing here? Multiply equation 1 by integrating factor. If you multiply this by integrating factor, what will happen? This is integrating factor y square dx, and here I am multiplying by integrating factor. Second term multiplied by integrating factor x square minus xy is equal to 0 multiplied by integrating factor is 0. Multiply this by integrating factor. Then try to simplify. Y square by y is y by x square dx plus x square gets cancelled here after multiplication 1 by y minus xy by x square y is what? Dy is equal to 0. Okay, here dy I have not written, dy is equal to 0. Okay. Now, how this equation has come? I have multiplied this equation by this integrating factor, and this equation we have obtained. So this equation is an exact equation, not necessary to check. Exact differential equation. It is not necessary to check. And this equation is not exact differential equation. This is exact. This is not exact. Why this is not exact? Because the integrating factor is not 1, it is other than 1. This is not exact, you can directly say. Okay. So here exactness is not necessary to be checked. But for the sake of your satisfaction, you can check it. But in the examination, it is not required to be checked. Now I am going to solve this equation. If equation is an exact equation, you can easily solve the equation then. See, this formula, integral of, keep y constant, integral of m is coefficient of dx, remember, integral of m with respect to x, and the terms in n which are free from x. Terms in n means terms in n of exact differential equation. Here in n, this is m, this is n. In n there are two terms, 1 by y and minus 1 by x. The first term is free from x. Second term containing x, don't write it. And this is solution. So without fail, you have to write c here. That is general constant or integration constant, you can say. Now integrate this term with respect to x, keeping y constant. Y is constant, and integral of 1 by x square is what? Minus 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x square is what? Minus 1 by x. Integral of 1 by y with respect to y is log y, and this is equal to c. So this is the solution for this differential equation or this differential equation. So you can solve for one more step also. This integration constant c, and if log term is present in the left hand side, so you may use integration constant as log c also. The meaning will be same. Okay, it will be little bit different in look, but meaning will be same. Okay, you can use here log of c as integration constant, then log of c minus log of y by c, then remove exponential. In that way you can do it, but not necessary. In this way we have solved this problem. Here, given equation is not exact. It is homogeneous one. That homogeneous differential equation we are converting into exact differential equation by multiplying that homogeneous differential equation by integrating factor, and once you multiply homogeneous equation by integrating factor, the resulting equation is an exact differential equation, and we know how to solve exact differential equation. So this is about the reducible to exact differential equation when given differential equation is homogeneous. So we stop here.